ColeSpeech.com.
Just waking up, 6 a.m. woke up, time to unlock my mind, open my eyes, better known as the main doors. Can't sleep because I know what's on the itinerary. It's unorthodox, so I gotta keep it steady. So sleepy that he was ready. In the box is non-stop, so peep all of the trajectory. It is necessary. Got to get up, no bed sores. Just to wake up with a conscious technique. Another day is the week, so yo, bro, that is no snore. Shout out to brain activity as I lay in bed and brainstorm about how the day is meant to be. The sun is shining through the blind as I ascertain. Then I campaign, cause it's no guess time. Switch out the bed like a jet plane. Then I'm getting cold, ready for the day to press time. So strong with pain, like a hand stains, like a blacksmith. First the glance is calm, and then it's coordinate. Creeping straight with the game, heavy with the hammer. Holding fingers start to rock together. In the bowl, in the shooting shows, I take it so big, not the studios. In the comment hammer, I am in the shower. While Maxwell face on getting silly though. Hitting the token, I'm taking the photo.